Hey everyone. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to create a clean professional timeline inside Google Slides using the full 2026 setup. Timelines are great for project planning, history presentations, roadmap visuals, or any situation where you need to show progress across a series of dates or milestones. So first, open your browser, go to google.com, sign into your account, and open Google Slides. Once your dashboard loads, open a blank presentation or choose the file where you want to build your timeline. When the file opens, insert a new blank slide so you have plenty of space to design. Next, create the main timeline line by clicking Insert, choosing Line, and dragging a long horizontal line across the middle of the slide. This line will act as the foundation for your timeline. To create the milestones, click Insert, then Shape, and choose the circle. Place the circle on the line. Duplicate the circle several times so you have one for each milestone or event you want to show. Spread them out across the line to represent your timeline's flow. Now add your dates and event titles. Click. Insert and choose text box, then place the text box above or below each circle. Type in short labels like dates, phases, or key events. Keeping your text brief makes the timeline easier to read. You can also add color coding or visuals by using the Fill Color tool or inserting icons. Make sure your colors are consistent so your slide stays clean and not overwhelming. Once your elements are placed, select everything and use the Arrange menu to align items properly. You can center them, distribute them evenly, or snap them into a perfect grid. This step makes your timeline look polished and intentional. If you want a bit of motion, click on each circle or text box and apply a gentle animation like fade in or appear. This adds a professional touch without distracting from the content. And that's it. That's how to create a timeline in Google Slides using the 2026 setup. With simple shapes, clean fonts, and balanced spacing, you can build a polished, visually appealing timeline in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.